Today I'm out in the shop unboxing the cheapest slow cooker that I could find on Amazon. This is an Elite Gourmet Slow Cooker. It's a 1.5 quart stainless steel. It's model number MST 250XS. It goes for between $10 and $15 on Amazon, and I hope that that 1.5 quart is large enough to hold my 2 pounds of paraffin wax that I'm going to use for my bike chain, to lube my bike chain. I went with 2 pounds because a pound was about $20 and I could purchase 2 pounds for about $24. So it was a no-brainer to go with 2 pounds. And I think that 1.5 quart is going to be big enough to melt that, plus put some PTFE Teflon in the cooker to lube the chain. Before I get started and talking about the cooker, this is just simply an unboxing of the cooker, but at Stiles Automotive, I do automotive work, automotive modifications, and tips. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and let me know in the comments. Back the unboxing. Comes with instructions. I don't know where this is made, but it's got a mailing address of the United States, and it's got an email address. So stainless steel on the outside, that's good. Just gonna dump it out. Oh, it's got a glass lid, so I should be careful. The glass lid at the top. Not bad, you can see what's cooking inside. And I'm not going to cook any food in it. I'm simply going to keep it for the wax. So it's got a crock pot. It's like a ceramic pot separator and a simple 120 plug. And there's the label on the bottom. You get rid of the pot, which is breakable. So there's the tag on the bottom. Let my autofocus work. See there again, you can see the model number, the MST-250XS for household use only. I'm going to use it out in the shop, and don't immerse this in liquid, but I'm not going to clean it, I hope. Oh, so mine came damaged. It's got a dent in it. Yeah, it's the first time I've unboxed it. So that's disappointing. It's not very robust. So all the controls, it's got a light indicating it's on or that it's heating, off, low, high, and warm. That switch doesn't feel real robust. So I'm going to determine what temperature it cooks at on low and high, and then I'll probably just leave it set on there, and I'll probably just plug and unplug it, or I may use the switch and turn it off. But I need to determine what temperatures those are at, and I'll probably write on here what temperatures those are and what temperature it keeps my wax at. So let me get this set up on the bench, and then we'll put some wax in it, and we'll determine what temperatures those cook at to get my thermometer out. I want to heat my wax PTFE mix from 195 to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, or 90 to 95 degrees C. That'll keep the wax from getting too hot, but it'll also help the wax flow into the chain. If I go to the manual that came with the cooker, it shows use of it. It shows a page of warnings, so you don't shock yourself or burn yourself, I suppose. I'm not going to be cooking food in it, so it says before first use you're supposed to wash the crock pot, and then it gives you some advice on low setting, high setting, and keep warm setting. It tells you cooking times. It doesn't tell you a temperature, and then it tells you how to use, which is really pretty simple. It's an off switch with a low, high, and keep warm setting, and then it's got suitable foods. And I'm surprised to see it, but down here on the bottom it has the last food that it'd recommend to cook was wax and Teflon. Huh, that's interesting. it's exactly what I want to cook with it. On the next page then it has tips, cooking tips, and cleaning and maintenance. Another caution not to submerge this in water. Don't use harsh abrasives on it. Of course, I'm not planning on cleaning it. Maybe the top will get dusty and I'll clean it, but hopefully I can keep my wax clean, and I'll just, if I can't, I'll just heat up the wax and pour it out, and pour in new wax. Probably wipe it down while it's still hot. Before I put wax in my crock pot, I'm going to add a glass of water and get out my trusty meat thermometer that I use for automotive air conditioning work, AC work, and use that and determine the temperature for both the low and the high settings. But you can see on the low setting that the light is on. Barely see it. So, cheap crock pot that's damaged, but that's fine for out in the shop. And switch that isn't very robust, and a light that you can barely see. Anyway, I'll let that warm up. After leaving the water on low for about an hour, we're at about 150, and it's cooling off fast. Is at about 150 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm looking for 195 to 203 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to set it on high and leave it for another hour and see where that gets us. So this is on high. It's been on high for a couple hours. There we go. Looks like it's going to go up to our 200. I think it was boiling in there before I opened the lid. Give it just a minute and see if it keeps going up. Yeah, that's about what we want. Looks like it's in the little over 190 right now. And it was boiling before I opened the lid. So if we leave it alone, probably be fine. Well, that is unboxing the Elite Gourmet model MST-250 XS, or 1.5 quart stainless steel slow cooker. I showed you what it's capable of, and with a glass of water in it, and showed you an unboxing. Now that concludes the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe, take a look at my other videos, and if you have a comment that this helped you, let me know in the comments.